Hello again. A lot of the disruptive rain and snow that we saw overnight has now cleared away towards the east, but it is going to be a cold day, and that's because we have a northerly flow across the country bringing Arctic air down, and in areas exposed to that northerly flow we are going to see some further wintry showers as we go through the rest of today and into tomorrow in particular. As well as that, there is still a front lying across us for the time being, but all of that does clear away. Through much of this week though, we stay in this Arctic air, so it is going to stay cold. Temperatures below average for the time of year. Do watch out for a weather system that could cross the southwest as we go through Thursday. That could bring some wet and perhaps wintry weather, some sleet or snow possible over the moors. However, for the time being, we have a front, yes, across parts of central southern England, bring a bit of cloud, some outbreaks of rain, perhaps even some wintriness over the higher ground here. Further north, it's a drier, brighter, sunnier picture for many places, but the wintry showers across parts of northern Scotland will continue. Accumulations likely to continue to build up in some places here. It is going to be a cold day, despite the fact that there will be sunny skies for many of us. Temperatures really below average for the time of year. Some places only scraping a few degrees above freezing, and in the wind it is going to feel markedly colder than this. Later on, we're going to see the outbreaks of rain in the south clearing away, clear skies developing for many places, but the wintry showers will become more widespread. They're going to be piling down on that brisk northerly wind, so they're most frequent across northern parts of Scotland, into Northern Ireland and down the eastern side of the UK as well. And also some of those wintry showers are going to be feeding in through the Irish Sea, affecting parts of Wales overnight as well. And because of that cold Arctic air, those showers are quite readily going to be falling as sleet or snow over any modest higher ground. With that then and the clear skies, temperatures are going to plummet tonight. It did fall to -11 Celsius last night in Scotland, and it could be even colder tonight, could get as low as -12 Celsius. So a very harsh frost for some of us, a widespread frost across much of the country, and with that, where we see any wet surfaces from any earlier rain, there is the risk of some icy patches as well. So some difficult conditions first thing. Otherwise, as we go through tomorrow, a lot of bright sunny weather around for many of us. Still plenty of showers coming in on that brisk northerly wind, so still northern parts of Scotland, Northern Ireland, down the eastern side of the UK. Could see some wintry showers affecting Norfolk for a time as we go through tomorrow afternoon, and also for parts of Wales. But many other areas actually staying dry and largely sunny. But again, it is going to be cold. Temperatures similar to today, perhaps a little bit lower for some, a touch higher in other places, but still low single figures for many places, and with the wind chill as well, feeling even colder. Some places feeling several degrees below freezing. So again, despite the sunshine, it really is going to feel pretty raw. Now, as we go through later on this week, we stick with that cold weather, still likely to see some further wintry showers, which could cause some problems for some, with accumulations building up, even though we are also going to have a decent amount of winter sunshine, even though it is still November and autumn. But worth bearing in mind that we are going to see some unsettled weather perhaps towards the southwest, and then by this weekend there's the potential for some very unsettled weather as a deep area of low pressure pushes its way in. All change for the weekend, turning much milder but very wet and very windy, and that could cause some disruption as well. We'll have more information about that on our deep dive, which Aidan McGivern will be here with on our YouTube channel, or you can find it on our app as well. I'll see you again soon. Bye bye.